Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to wrap text. So if you want to wrap text, you can use the paragraph tag, like you can type P, press enter, and you can type for the text. This is a sample to wrap text when it reach the edge of its container. So you can click File, Save, and if you refresh, the text will be automatically wrapping. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to wrap text.